Then you're led through a series of questions that not only inform the practice what they need to know, right? But also inform you what you need to know and take you down this thought process that reinforces why you want this in the first place. What are you looking for? Because that makes you feel like they can provide that relief.
Welcome to Success Confidentials.
9 minutes every week that'll level up your practice. If you're a healthcare visionary obsessed with patient experience, team culture, marketing, and growth, you're in the right place.
We are too. We're Lauren
and Christine,
the patient whisperers. We worked together for 4 years as leaders in a real premium practice.
We did not play in the traditional healthcare sandbox and believe human emotions drive all success, and it really, really worked. We grew our cash pay practice an average 60% year over year.
And on social media, we grew our followers from 1,000 to 14,000 in just 2 years, generating millions in annual revenue from social media alone.
So now we're out here sharing what made us wildly successful so you can be too.
Let's have some fun.
Let's dive in. One of the biggest problems that we see in these self-tests is you get a generic, if you do finish it, you get a generic, thank you, you are most likely a candidate. Schedule your free consultation. So you end up feeling tricked that you just filled out a bunch of information, gave the practice your contact information, and you got nothing in return. That does not feel like a good reciprocation of your time and investment. So now you feel a little annoyed and taken advantage of because you're just left with, oh, here's the next step versus any real personal value. It feels very automated and it is in most self-tests. So what do we want to do? Okay, we talked about what we don't want to do. Let's talk about what we do want to do.
Get into the feel good.
Yes.
I clicked to your Patient Whispers approved self-test, and I'm really led down a storyline where immediately I resonate that I'm in the right place and this is what I want.
You instantly feel hope that there is relief and the benefits that you're looking for. Then you're led through a series of questions that not only inform the practice what they need to know, right? But also inform you what you need to know and take you down this thought process that reinforces why you want this in the first place. What are you looking for? Because that makes you feel like they can provide that relief.
Let's use a real example of a LASIK self-test since we just helped a practice with one this week. Of course, we need the question that, hey, what do you wear? Contacts, glasses, bifocals, readers, but also adding a question of when do your contacts, glasses bother you? When you're working out, when you're trying to watch TV before you're going to sleep, swimming, etc. So we can really help the consumer, the potential patient, self-identify and reflect on times that their contacts and glasses are causing them annoyance.
It's what we talk about all the time when it comes to procrastination. We are feeding the drive to act by making the benefits so real and tangible that this person is becoming more excited about the relief that they can find versus less. Feeding the drive to act versus the drive to delay. And then at the end, instead of getting that standardized, thank you, looks like you're a great candidate, schedule that consultation. We want to have a real feeling and in actuality, real result that is, thank you. One of our expert counselors will review your information and get back with you with your results. When we don't give a standardized response, what we're doing is using the endowment effect and the labor illusion. The endowment effect means that people value something more if they feel like it is unique to them, if this was done just for them. And the labor illusion means that people value something more if they feel like more work and effort went into it. So when they feel like someone is physically looking at their questions and answers and putting together a recommendation or even checking with a healthcare professional and then getting back with them, they value it more, which means guess what? They're going to pick up the phone when you call. There's less phone tag. It's a higher quality lead. They already feel like there's reciprocity in their relationship with you.
Plus, you get to know a little bit about the patient before that first point of contact. As always, we want to leave you guys with actionable takeaway from today's conversation. So first, we want to recommend that you guys go through your own self-test yourself. Go through and reflect on, do you feel excited, motivated, engaged, that you are in the right place if you are a potential patient of yours? Or do you feel that this is a sterile or generic exchange of information?
So then create an outline of what your potential patient is looking for. What are their pain points, desires, motivators? What are their roadblocks, their fears, their hesitations, the reasons they procrastinate? Put this all together, speak to these things, use compelling imagery and emotional messaging, or fast forward, hit the easy button and use our complete guide to self-tests that convert like crazy. If we can help you with anything related to today's topic, use the link to schedule a free 30-minute synergy session just for new practices.
For our existing practice clients, you already know where to find us.
Now we want to hear from you. What resonated? What other topics are hot for you right now? We want to know all about it in the comments.
We're just a comment away, so if you have any questions, we personally respond to all comments and DMs. If you're not subscribed yet, make it easy on yourself to see new episodes and reference topics that are helpful by hitting the subscribe button.